Hello, fourth graders. Today I will be showing you a quick video how to complete your language arts assignment for April 26th, 2019. So you're going to start out by going into your Google Classroom. Once you are in Google Classroom, you will find your fourth grade homeroom and you will click on it. Once you are inside of the fourth grade homeroom class, you will find where it says the Seesaw website and you will click on the link. This page should look very familiar. This is the exact same page that you logged into yesterday. So you will click I am a student and you will sign in with the same exact code that you had yesterday. This code can be found in your writing folder. So you will want to scan the code and you'll hold the code up to the screen and it will log you in automatically to the class. Once you are in the class, it will ask you to click on your name. So you will find your name. And it says sign in as Danielle Nasers. I will click yes. So I am now in the classroom and I'm going to click on the journal. This is going to bring me to all of the postings that my classmates did. And what I am going to assign you to do is listen to the recordings of 7 of your classmates. You will need to use headphones, whether they are your own or whether they are the class set. You will need to have your headphones plugged in for this assignment because all of the computers will be going at one time. I am going to show you an example of what this looks like once you listen to the recording and then how you comment as well. When I play this, you will not hear any of the audio, so just pretend that I have my headphones in during this time. Was her dad. Her dad. So as I am listening to the classmates speak, I am making notes of things that they said. If you need to take out a piece of paper and comment things that they said, that's fine. If you need, or if you can memorize it or remember it in your mind, that is fine as well. But after you're done listening to them, you're going to come down here and you will hit the comment button. And get you see the blinking cursor and that's where you will type your comment. Your comment needs to relate to what they said in their video. So if they said nothing about Ruby's mom, if they said nothing about Ruby's principal in their movie, then you are not going to type that in your comment. You're going to comment related on what they said. So for instance, I'm going to comment, I also liked the movie a lot. It made me think how lucky we are to go to a school where students are not segregated. So I have 2 complete sentences. You may have 2 complete sentences or you may have 3 complete sentences. You may not have less than 2 and you may not have more than 3 sentences. Once you are done typing, you will hit post and your comment will appear right here. So if I were to continue this assignment, I would have 6 more to do. I do not want you to comment on pretend student number 1. I do not want you to comment on pretend student number 2. You need to choose 7 of your own classmates. You may not comment on your own video. When you are done commenting on 7 videos and there's still time remaining, I do encourage you to comment on more than 7 students and continue finding other students' videos that you may comment on. If you want to go back and watch this video, you may grab the link. It will be in the 4th grade homeroom classroom, and there will be a link right above here that will say the assignment video, and then it will have a link to YouTube that you may go back and watch this video if you have any questions or concerns. Just a reminder that when you are commenting that you are writing in complete sentences, You are using capital letters. You are also using periods or exclamation points. You also need to remember that I can see all of the comments and so can all of your classmates. So these need to be appropriate comments. I am very excited to see this when I return, and I wish you the best of luck.